Hello guys, welcome to our factory. We are Fupower, a professional manufacturer in the exhaust system. We provide exhaust pipes, airtight pipes, and components. We also provide the turbo pipes.
The part behind my side is our wall welding. After we assemble the flexure, the muffler, and the pipe together, we need to do the spot welding. At the end of after the spot welding, we need to do the full welding to connect all parts together.
This is our simple room. This part is our titanium pipe cards. We have different kinds of colors for the titanium pipe cards: gold, purple, polish, and blue. This part is our components of the exhaust system. We have different kinds of components. For example, we have flex pipe, we have waves, and flange, and so on. And we also have different kinds of muffler. Here is our muffler part. These here are our other samples. Normal exhaust tips, teardrop exhaust tips. And here is our stainless steel exhaust system, exhaust pipes. This is our titanium exhaust pipes.